guys, I officially got the kitchen slash living room pretty much finished for now. There's still boxes in the hallway and stuff. Still things to be reorganized, pictures to be hung, but I want to show you the progress. So here's the kitchen. I love, looks so cute. And then this is the bar area all cleaned off, thank goodness. This is the side of the living room we still have to completely do. That's a tale for another time. This is the living room. Look how cute she looks. Amazing. I love, this actually opens up and I put blankets in here, which is amazing. And I just think it looks so cute. I think it's so adorable. I love. I've got my candle burning. Harley's grandma just came over to bring us some stuff. Now, I'm making dinner. So I'm gonna make a sauce with the crushed tomatoes with basil and these Italian style diced tomatoes. I'm gonna blend this up, which sounds so weird. It's gonna work, I promise. And then I need to grab, we have a very bare fridge, by the way. Need to grab this onion, the ground beef, and then we're making it with rigatoni. Yum, I'm gonna get to cooking. Got my meat cooking, cut up my onion. Now I'm making my sauce. I'm seasoning my meat with Italian seasoning and crushed peppercorn and garlic. Make my noodles soon, it's coming together. So she's saucy, as you can see. This is literally so easy. I'll tell you everything that's in it. We have 1 can of diced tomatoes, Italian style, 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. I had tomatoes with basil, but you can add basil in if you want to. I just already had it in the sauce. Then you saute an onion, add that whole onion in, and also a pack of ground beef. Add that in too. The thing that makes this so good is I actually blend, as you saw, the tomato cans together to make a sauce like this. And it's just so good, y'all. I will leave it in the description, but oh, she's good. She's still cooking, but she's good. The seasonings I used were garlic powder, a little bit of this no salt all-purpose seasoning. Did not use this one, sorry, I'm having to figure out. And I used a whole bunch of Italian seasoning, just a tiny bit of this crushed pepper, corn, and garlic, but do what you think is best. So this is the next photo I hung up. I know it's not perfectly centered. I really honestly don't care because I got it up and that's all that matters. But it just really ties in the whole entire room with all of the green and the pink. I think it's really cute and I love it. So I just made our bed and I'm realizing I want my nightstand to be a tad bit closer. So, is that too close? No, actually I think that's perfect. Yeah, it needs to be a tad bit closer. I have so much to go through over here. I'm gonna take this to the kitchen, but oh yeah, that's so much better. Harley always has a water by his bed, so he's always gonna have that, but that is what it is. I love the pillows and everything. This isn't our forever bedding. It's just the one from my old bed that I put on here and we're using for now. But cute. Love. What's up, you guys? Today is a brand new day and it's time to let some light in. I worked earlier today, so this is like my first time being home to do things. And I'm pretty happy to be home. And that's all I have for right now, but I'll update you guys later on. I think we're gonna go grocery shopping and stuff once Harley gets here. I'm not unpacking today. I'm gonna go ahead and tell everyone, I'm not unpacking today. I've unpacked so much recently these past 2 days that I'm kind of like over it, which I know you're probably like, girl, you gotta get it done, which I did. I already have. I got the whole entire living area and this area in the kitchen done. So I'm good for now. And we'll work on the closet later on, but I will show you what I've done in there. Okay, here's my closet. I know, intense. I have so many clothing items that I have to get my dresser for. So those are just on the floor for now. My mirror will eventually go somewhere else, or I'm gonna keep it there, or I'm gonna keep it back here. Not super sure. But I have my cute little photo up here. This is a jar that I had that I put all my sheet masks, because I have so many for when like my girls come over and stuff, my nieces, my friends, sisters, whatevs. My favorite shoes are up there because like those are my faves. All my dresses are up. Well, actually that's not even all of them. That's a sad thing. All of my shoes. I want a better organization for my shoes, but as of now, I really don't care. These are the hangers I use. I need to get a basket for up here, but it's coming along. I mean, it's getting there. It's cute. This is what it's like to have a boyfriend, though. I will tell you, to live with your boyfriend, they leave towels hanging. Sir, watch it. No, I mean, it is what it is with the towel thing, because he's a man and they leave their towels everywhere. But I'm gonna put it on this little towel rack. He'll learn eventually. Men do learn, I promise. I promise. Forgot to mention, we also have clothes all in here. This is mostly mine. Lord knows I need my dresser so I can put everything up. And here's some clothes too. But I'm not super sure what to do with all of these. A lot of it's bathing suits, and I might end up giving a lot of bathing suits away because I only wear like the same ones over and over again. And I am going to be donating clothes, so yay. I said I wasn't going to do anything else, and then I unpacked my closet. I had to get rid of a lot of stuff, and I need a couple more hangers to hang a few more things, but she is organized. I do have some shoes down there, and I'm missing one, so that's great. But yes, so far so good. Love. As you can see, no more bags right here. This is a dresser that I painted. Looks really good, all black. These are some clothes I either need to donate or sell. And other than that, that's just a couple things to put away. This area is clean. So I'm setting these two little Market Peach hand soaps right here, and it actually goes with the color scheme. We love that. Literally matches it completely. I set one over here too, and that looks so cute. We've got kombucha in our little cactus martini glass because I don't drink alcohol often. Cooking dinner, he's gonna make some chicken. I love his cooking, he makes really good chicken. And we're gonna make some rice if I can, yeah. And then his grandma made this really yummy soup. It's like a broccoli soup that we're gonna put on the rice, topped with the chicken, and it's gonna be good, I promise. Yummy. So I hung this photo up here and it looks so cute. It just matches all the pink and everything. I love. Then in my closet, you can't really see, but I just put up this little Do You poster. I think it's so cute and you can't really see it, like I said, but yes, I'm still so in love with my closet. Long way to go, but it's beautiful. So far, I just put some flowers up here. This is not the forever decor, but it just looked a little bare. So I just put flowers, and I think I need one more bunch up here. Good thing I have so many in this box that I'll just put up here, and voila. Bunches of flowers, because my last name's Flowers, so it works. Like I said, not forever decor, but it needed some color for now. I have my light bulbs on. So cute. I'm definitely ready for bed though, so I'm gonna go to bed. Sorry for the crazy hair, but good night, y'all. I will see you in the next video. Bye.